Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Simply Key. So, really quick. I went to Burlington, which I get my purses from Burlington, but I don't buy clothes from Burlington just because I thought their clothes always ran small. But I don't know what happened. I was like, a girl came through and left up on them boys. So I got these cute pair of pants, and yes, I tried them on. Yes, they fit me so perfectly. It's amazing how they fit. And I just like that the pattern on this. I compare this with a cute tan shirt, a cute white shirt, and I just really set this off. I probably do a blousey type shirt. So I'm looking for a white blousey type shirt or a tan blousey type shirt to go with this. And they were $12.99. Then I got this pretty green skirt. Gonna definitely pair this with a black blouse. So I need to find me like a cute black shirt or something to go with this. But it's a really pretty pencil skirt, and I like the color. And it was $10.99. And I like the gold zipper. So I'm gonna do a cute little gold shirt. I don't know. I'm gonna work it out. So then I got these just basic. I like the print. I'm a print girl. I don't know what it is. I like prints and patterns and stuff. So I got this, and they're like a tan color as well, and they were $14.99. And what's crazy is I typically wear a size 15, 16, but in these clothes I actually wore a size 12. And I don't know if it's because it had major stretch to them or what, but they fit like a glove. Then these, you can pair this with so many colors. I could pair this with a yellow shirt, a pink shirt, a green shirt, blue shirt, red shirt, orange shirt, purple shirt. And the sky's the limit of what I could pair this with. And the good thing about a pair of black pants, you can wear them over and over, and ain't nobody gonna tell the difference. All you gotta do is change the top. A lot of y'all don't know that, but I'm gonna just give y'all a little game. Just change the top, girl. Ain't nobody gonna know you wearing the same pants. But yeah, I like them. I like the pattern. They have a lot of stretch in them, and they were $15.99. I bought a shirt. Hold on. This shirt, I'm gonna have go with my black pair of pants actually. So I'm doing a mustard yellow. I thought that was really cute, and just do some simple black heels, or probably pair of those tan boots I got in there with that. I don't know, but I'm working out. But I like ruffles. I love ruffles, as y'all can tell. I love ruffles and lace. Anything with ruffles and lace, I'm a bag. So that is what I got. And then I got this cute backpack. Yeah, this gonna come in handy when I'm what babe?
I'll be back.
Where you finna go?
Drop this money out and go have me a drink.
Okay, have fun. Enjoy yourself. Alright, so this come in handy when you just riding around and you don't want to carry no big purse, but you want to carry something, and you need to put something more than just your cell phone and a couple of cards in. This come in handy, and I just really liked it. This was $29.99. So a lot of y'all, this might not be $29.99, worth $29.99. But I've never owned a Bessie Johnson bag. I've seen a couple that caught my eye, but I just never really liked enough to buy. And I seen this one and I was like, I gotta have it, because I don't have nothing gold like as far as handbags. All my handbags are like basic, like browns and tans. I think I got one purple handbag. That's it. But everything is like tans and creams and browns and blacks. Something really neutral. Oh, I got a pink. I got a cute like mauve looking bag that look like that black one you got. That BB purse I had bought. But that's it. Y'all probably know who I'm talking to. She right behind the camera. She like making sure I stay in focus. Oh, my cousin that I love with all my heart, and she's my best cousin in the whole wide world. Like, get you a best cousin. You ain't gotta have no best friend. Get you a best cousin, because I got a best cousin. So I wore these. Y'all probably seen them already. Y'all probably seen me on Instagram. Y'all loved how I paired the blue and the pink. But these are a pair of Aeropostale joggers. I just thought they was really dope, and they're in an extra large. So I'm gonna be putting those up. I got these red ones, and I thought these was really dope. Really cute. I could pair that with some pink. I could pair that with some blue. I could pair that with just a simple black tank top or white tank top. So I like to pair stuff with funky colors. I don't like to do like basic colors. Like I would pair these, which these are navy blue. I would actually pair this with pink. So I'm glad they put the pink on there, because I would actually pair this with pink or white. Yeah, pink or white. So yeah, that is my Burlington's and Aeropostale haul. Y'all stay tuned because we got a shoe haul coming up. Although she got one pair extra more than me. We still got a shoe haul coming up. I don't know why she had to have two pairs. I don't know why she couldn't just get one pair of shoes, but she had to get two pairs of shoes. I got two pairs of shoes because I wanted two pairs of shoes. But right. So yeah, that is the last of this video. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember simply keys. I was gonna say you're beautiful because you simply are, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.